Good day everyone, my name is Brian Monjoy Tuazon. I'm from BC1F and now I will discuss the topic Coefficient of Restitution of the subject Physics for Engineers. Now I will show you an example about coefficient of restitution. A ball dropped on the floor from a height of 1.5 meter bounces back to a height of 0.85 meter. What is the coefficient of restitution? So, ang sabi, a ball dropped on the floor from a height. So, yung ball, na-drop siya from a height of 1.5 meters. Sa floor. So, ito yung floor. Then, nag-bounce back daw. So, ito yung floor. Nag-bounce back yung bola. Ngayon, may height na siya ng 0.85 meter. So, now, i-consider natin ang ball, ang object 1, at ang floor, na ay object 2. So, dahil nga yung object 2 o yung floor is at rest lang siya after the collision. So, V2 natin is equals to V2 prime kasi at rest pa rin siya at after collision. So, since at rest nga siya, 0 na siya. So, we have formula for coefficient of restitution V2 prime minus V1 prime over V1 minus V2. So, yung V2 nga natin at yung V2 prime, 0 na. So, makakancel na yan. Then, ang matitira, negative V1 prime over V1. So, to get the velocity, diba meron tayong formula na V squared is equals to VO squared plus 2G multiply to Y minus Y sub O. Then, itong Y minus Y sub O, gagawin na lang natin siyang height. Then, ang initial is 0. So, matitira, V squared is equals to 2G H. And square root V equals to square root of 2GH. So, dahil nga, yung ball na ito is pababa, so magiging negative na siya. So, next, ito naman, so V squared is equals to 2GH prime. Then, square root V is equals to 2GH. So, ito, V sub 1 yan. Then, ito, V sub 1 prime. So, pwede na siya i-input dito sa formula na to. E is equals to negative. Yung V1 prime, square root. Ito pala may square root pala to. 2GH over negative square root 2GH. Ito prime to. Pwede na natin cancel yung negative 2G. Then matitira square root of H prime over square root of H. Then input lang yung value square root of yung H prime 0.85 meter over square root of 1.5. Yan ang sagot dyan, 0.75. So, walang unit yung coefficient of restitution. So, this is the final answer.